Hey creative crafters, are you ready to mix, match, and make some magic with our all-new Mix and Match products from the 2025-26 annual catalog? If you love creating multiples of cards or simply want to streamline your crafting process, then you're going to adore these easy-to-use, time-saving products. Let's start with our cards and envelopes, the perfect foundation for your card-making creations. These are a huge time saver, giving you a head start with beautiful designed bases. We've got so many options to choose from, but here are just a few of our favorites. Check out the textured stripes cards and envelopes for a simple yet modern touch. And if you want to add a fun textured touch to your card-making projects, the specialty embossed designs cards and envelopes would be another great choice. They're simply stunning. But trust me, these are just the tip of the iceberg. We've got even more options available online, so be sure to explore the full collection. Another fun product we want to show you all today is the Celebrations, Expressions, Memories, and More card pack. Perfect for all you memory keepers out there who are looking for a great start to your scrapbooking projects. These Memories and More card packs are ideal for any occasion. And the best part is, you can add whatever personal touch you'd like to make them truly yours. Check out these fun creations from one of our concept artists. Next up, let's talk about ephemera packs, the secret weapon for adding style and texture to your designs with ease. These little packs are packed with potential. Take a peek at the Good Time Ephemeras pack. It's perfect for creating fun spring and summer crafts, featuring fruit, foliage, baked goods, books, and more. Or if you're in a celebratory mood, the Time for Celebration ephemera pack has you covered. Featuring hearts, florals, disco balls, and everything in between. This ephemera pack will have you covered no matter what crafts you want to create. And just remember, these are just two of the many packs we have waiting for you in the new catalog and online store. Now let's not forget the final piece of the puzzle, stamp sets. These are essential for adding that personal touch to your paper crafting projects. Whether you need a perfect sentiment or just a fun image, we've got you covered. Some of my favorites from the new catalog include the Right Words stamp set. Perfect for a heartfelt message featuring sentiments like happy birthday, sending good vibes, thinking of you, and more. This stamp set is ideal for many projects. Next we have the Silly Safari bundle, which features the Silly Safari stamp set and circle punch. This stamp set features party zoo animals and sentiments like Hakuna Matata, welcome baby, super proud of you, thank you big time, and more. This 1 7/8 punch that goes with the stamp set is perfect for a variety of projects and pairs perfectly with this set. We also have the versatile Notes Totes stamp set, which is great for all sorts of crafting and features sentiments like sending warm wishes, just a note, you earned it, relax and enjoy, and more. It also features a Hawaiian flower, a sun, raindrops, and more. Also included in this bundle is the Notes Totes dies, which you can probably guess features a tote. It also features fun summer details like a water bottle, a starfish, a seashell, and more. And of course, there's a whole world of stamp sets waiting for you in our online store. If you're ready to dive deeper into our mix and match products, don't hesitate to reach out to your demonstrator. They're here to help you find exactly what you need to create something special. And remember, no matter what project you're dreaming up, Stampin' Up has the perfect products to bring your creativity to life. Happy crafting, everyone! For more information on these products and more, please be sure to contact your local demonstrator and don't forget to check out the full range of products online. And let's keep the creativity flowing!